Start.
A very good morning and warm welcome to one and all present. Myself, Claudia Nad, Assistant Professor, Soundarya College of Law, will be the moderator for today's session on the webinar, Entrepreneur Now or Never. Today, we are going to unravel together a whole new level of insight on equity entrepreneurship. We request all the participants to maintain decorum all through and ensure that your video and audios are muted to have a better learning experience. Towards the end of the session, the feedback link will be provided in the chat box, and you are to fill it in immediately to ensure that you receive your e-certificates. And if you miss anything because of network or internet issues, kindly do not worry. We will be sending around the recording when it's made available on our Soundarya Institution's YouTube channel. An important key to investing is to remember that they are not lottery tickets. Today, we have with us Professor Lokesh Angadi, who's serving as an assistant professor in Soundarya Institutions of Management and Science. He is someone who does not require an introduction to the Soundarya family. Sir has been sharing his deep-set knowledge to our students from time to time and is an excellent academician who believes in learning and sharing knowledge. It is going to be a 40 minutes informative and mind-engaging session, followed by a Q&A session. Participants are required to send in the questions in the chat box. Time is very precious. Over to Professor Lokesh Angadi. I remain.
Yes, very good morning, one and all. Give me a while, just I'll set up that screen. Yes, very good morning. I think screen is visible, right? Yes, dear friends, the first and foremost, before starting the session, just I would like to say one quote. Nachorahadam, nacharajahadam, nabrattabhajam, nachavarakari, vaye krute vardate, eva nityam, vidyadanam, sarvadana pradhanam. Yes, very good morning, one and all. And it's my immense pleasure and privilege to be part of in this webinar. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Dr. Jayashree Madam, Principal Soundarya Law College, who has given me an opportunity, and Ms. Claudia and Monisha Madam also. Yes, today I am going to discuss about the topic is a very, very important topic as an equity entrepreneur now or never. So the first and foremost, I would like to know how many students, the participants have the DMAT account, or you are in a trading or are you investor. If I know, then based on that, then I can start my session, because our audience or the participants are very, very important. Based on their pulse, only I can start my, communication or things. Can you chart it here for a while? Anybody is having the DMAT account, or are you for trading, or are you an investor? Just if you chart me, then I can start my session. If you know about the trading, then I can start it directly the how to buy market. Otherwise, I'll give the brief introduction about the equity market. Then it is very easy to get it. Okay, fine. Some students, yeah, still they are not, still they are in beginners. They have not at all joined. Okay, I hope most of the participants are from the law background and from other backgrounds also. Okay, guys, just let me introduce the stock market. Okay, in the 5 minutes, then I can start my equity trading, how it will take place. Today, we are going to discuss about the equity entrepreneur. See, if I ask you the simple question, okay, what do you want to become after your education? The majority of the people, they can say, I want to become a lawyer, I want to become a administrator, I want to become a so-and-so engineer. But the very few people, they want to become an entrepreneur. So today, I'm going to discuss about how to become an entrepreneur, especially in equity market. So this is the right time to I mean, this is the right time to trade in a stock and trade, I mean, equity market. That we'll discuss one by one. Okay. Now, let us go for the session, right? So here, dear friends, just a minute. Okay, now I am showing the chart here. Okay, all of you look at this chart, right? So if you want to trade in the stock market, you must have the demat account. That is mandatory, right? Just I am showing you here. Okay, most of the time we are listening the Nifty or Bombay Stock Exchange or Sensex. Okay, then NSE market, like that we are discussing. But still you are in the beginners. That's why I'm telling you, right? You can see that many companies here. There is a watch list. Okay, in the Infosys company, you know very well, because of that reason I have taken Infosys company. What is the share price of Infosys? Anybody can guess? Okay, today the Infosys price is 942. Look at here in cursor, right? Infosys price is 942, showing you the Infosys price. Today's Infosys price is 941 now. See, every millisecond it's going to change it, dear friends. Please understand. Now is 941. Okay. After 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, it may increase or it may decrease, right? Depends on the markets. 941 is the market, right? Later you can check it. The first and foremost, just I want to tell you about the stock market, right? Stock market or share market means stock is nothing but is the unit of capital. Share is nothing but unit of capital. That is what a stock market. See, there are 22 stock exchanges in India, right? The major stock like Bangalore Stock Exchange, Vadodara Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. The major two bigger stock exchange, that is one is the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Another one is the National Stock Exchange, that is called NSE. See, the oldest stock exchange in India, that is what BSE. It has established in the year 1875 in the British government, right? So now the very important is BSE and NSE. Like I'll give the example. I hope you are all from Bangalorean, right? In the KR market, that is like a NSE market. The Yeshwantpura market is like a BSE market. That's it. There is no much difference in that. Okay. So major two stock exchanges in India, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, right? So we can call in the Sensex. Look at here in the Sensex, right? We can call Sensex. Sensex is an indicator or indices of the Bombay Stock Exchanges. It comprised the 30 major benchmark companies. This is what a Sensex. So Sensex is a gauging of the stock market. Based on the Sensex, we can understand the market is going up or market is going down. In the one more is there Nifty, right? The Nifty 50, what we are calling. The Nifty is also an indicator or indices of the NSE market, National Stock Market. That's why this in Nifty 50, I mean, it comprises the 30 major blue chip companies, right? Like Infosys, TCS, all those things in all the sector, right? The major 50 they have listed in the stock market. That's why we can call it is a Nifty 50. So this is what. So the major things we have, what we have, Nifty Bank, Nifty 15, many things what we have. Just I'm taking the only few things in the market, right? Now what we understood, what is stock market, that we understood, right? What are the various stock exchanges in India, that is also we understood. In Bangalore also there is a stock market, but the major is to NSE, BSE, that what we are going to discuss. I'm showing you the Infosys here. Look at here, the price is 941.75. Every millisecond the market is going to, I mean, the prices are going to change. That market will start morning 9:15 and morning 9:15 and close at 3:30. Okay, this is what the market timings in a weekly 5 days. The Saturday and Sunday it is off, right? Remaining days it will be working. Okay, there are 22 stock exchange already I told you, and Sensex also I told you, and even Nifty also I told you, right? So what are the procedures, right? What are the procedures for dealing in the stock market? Anybody wants to deal in the stock market or trade in the stock market, right? I hope I hope you are all in the beginner. Because of that reason, I am taking the basic. Okay, the procedure for dealing in the stock market, the very simple. First, you select a broker, right? There are n number of the broker companies available, right? For example, there is a company which is Zerodha. Okay, there is a Zerodha, Five Paisa company, Motilal Oswal. There are n number of the companies what they have, right? N number of the brokerage firms. You can select any one broker. Okay, while selecting the broker, that is also very important. Which broker you are going to select, right? Either you are going to select the discount broker or the full-time broker. If you select the full-time broker, they will give the suggestions which share you have to buy, which share you have to sell. Okay, every minute they are following you, right? They will charge the more brokerage. Because of that reason, we can call they are the full service broker. When you come to the discount broker, they will not suggest which share you are going to buy, right? Which share you are going to sell, but they will suggest you to open the account. That's it. They will not give any suggestion to buy and sell, but they are the broker charges very, very, very less. For example, right? If for instance, I tell you the one example, Zerodha. Zerodha is one of the leading brokerage, discount brokerage limited, right? If you open the Zerodha account, so it's I think brokerage charge is very, very less. If you buy one share or 100 share at a time, 20 rupees they can charge. If you sell the same share, okay, that is also 20, almost it's the 40 rupees, right? If it is intraday, if it is delivery, there is no brokerage, but apart from that, many taxes what they can impose. This is the background of the brokers. Which broker you are going to select, that is left to you. Okay, after that place, once you select the broker, then you have to start the demat account. I mean dematerialization account. Without demat account, you cannot buy and sell the securities. For example, right, without having the bank account, you cannot deposit your money. You cannot take it money from the bank. Am I right? That's in the same way, demat account is also like that. If you want to buy and trade, if you want to buy and sell the securities, you must have the demat account, and one more is trading account. With the help of that, you are going to buy or sell. This is what procedure. Okay, who will open the demat account? The broker will suggest you to open the demat account in the name of that particular company, right? I have the account Zerodha. I am not suggesting Zerodha, whatever it is left to you, wherever you can, you open the account, right? After once you open the account, earlier it was in the physical, earlier it was in the physical certificate they are issuing, okay? But due to the many cases, okay, you know, the Harshad Mehta scandal, Ketan Parekh scandal, after that, the SEBI is the regulatory body. Like your banks are comes under, all banks are comes under the RBI. In the same way, the stock market also is comes under the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. In the year 1952, the Security Exchange Board of India, right, it started, okay, all the stock exchange, either BSE or NSE, all are controlled under the SEBI, okay, they have their own rules and regulations, okay, and for the first time, they have introduced the depository. The depository is nothing but it's in a kind of organization or institution which holds the investor securities in the form of electronic mode. After that, there is no scam in the stock market. Because of that reason, okay, SEBI has started the dematerialization account. Dematerialization account. There is no any scam in that. Okay, every day you can think it in this, due to this COVID-19. You know that we are suffering. Still, we are suffering from last 4 or 5 months. But the only one business, stock market, is going successfully. Either it may down or up, doesn't matter, but there is no effect on the stock market. It's one of the good profession, right? And one more thing I tell you, very good, dear friends, right? If you want to earn the money, come to the stock market. Again, I tell you, if you want to lose the money, come to the stock market. The two options what we have. This is a two faces in the one coin. Sir, what you are saying, if you have the knowledge, right, then only you can invest the money. If you don't have the knowledge, just please don't invest and don't trade. Okay, I tell you, trader and investor both are there here, and later we'll discuss. Okay, first and foremost, we select the broker and open the demat account. You can start trading. After that, placing an order. Placing an order means just you can choose the selected shares, whichever you want. First, you can think it which sector you want. Either you want the IT sector, information technology. In the information technology, which share you are going to buy? Infosys, TCS, n number of the shares they are listed, right? And if you think, if you go for the FMCG, just you can take it. FMCG means fast movable consumer goods, ITC, right? Then Tata, whatever the many things. If you take the automobile industry, Maruti Suzuki and what is that, Honda, okay? Then Eicher, these are all the various different companies what we have. If you take the pharma is also one of the best company to invest in this COVID, okay? Because in the pharma, Sun Pharma is there, right? Many different companies, Reddy's, Dr. Reddy, there are n number of the companies, but over almost 1,800 companies are listed in the NSE, National Stock Market. Just now you tell me, right? 1,800 company. Sir, if you want to invest in the sector, how you can choose? That I will tell you later. One thing I tell you, fool can track all the 1,800 companies, but wise person can track only the 10 or 15 companies. See, one thing you have to understand, right? See, don't track entire forest. You can track only on your tree. Got it, my point? If you go to the forest now, don't track entire forest. It's very difficult. You can track your own tree. So it is very easy to understand the concept. That's why if you want to come for the market, just you can select the sectors and which sector. For example, IT sector. In the IT sector, which company? That's Infosys, TCS, and I tell you later also why you have to go for only blue chip company, because you have to follow the leaders, not the followers, right? So if the company price, Infosys company price come down, automatically it will go up in a meantime. This is what I'm going to explain. Okay, once you select the broker, dematerialized account, with the help of that, placing an order. You have to place an order. After that, making the contract. Making the contract is a different trading post deal in different types of securities. That is also very important. Here there are different types of the trade. One is the short, intraday. If you buy today, you have to sell today. That is what MIS. Margin intraday square up. Another one is there. That is a delivery, CNC. Cash and carry. That is what delivery. There are the different types of the trading. Okay, that also I will show you in the lively. Okay, after that, contact note. That is the contact note will be prepared by the broker after you are buying and selling of the securities. Finally, then settlement through the electronic form. This is what what are the procedures for dealing in a stock market. This is a briefly I explained you, but everything is comes under the SEBI. There is no any malpractices, there is no any scam nowadays, but we don't know in the future what will happen. But this is one thing. And one more thing, there is in the stock market, it's very easy. Our topic is equity entrepreneur. The equity means what? Equity is nothing but a very simple, is the ownership. For example, I am Lokesh. Okay, I want to buy a 10 shares from so and so company. For example, you can take it. Soundarya Institution is one organization, right? It's not possible institution to shareholders. They are issuing the shares to the public. Okay. Once they'll issue the share public, then Lokesh, I am also one of the shareholders. Just you can think it means I can buy the shares from the institutions or from the organization. Then I can also become a part and parcel of the Soundarya Institution or any one of the Infosys company or any which company share you are going to buy. Then you are the owner of that company. That is what equity. Equity is nothing but a ownership pattern. That is based on the percentage. There is a big story in that. Just you can understand equity is the thing, but it's getting the ownership from the company. If you buy one share from the Infosys, the amount is 941, then you are also owner of the company. This is what the concept, right? So in the market, there are three trends. One is the uptrend, another is the downtrend, one more is the sideways. So what is the uptrend? Uptrend is nothing but increasing the prices. Share prices are increasing. That is what uptrend. Bullish market, bull, what we can call, right? Yeah, I think you might have seen the bull, how it is, right? In the bull, if they are doing like this, right? That means it's going up. Then one more is downtrend. That is what? Bearish. Bearish is nothing but a bear, means the prices come down, okay, goes down. This is what is that bearish, okay? That means downtrend. One is the sideways, means there is no uptrend and there is no downtrend. For example, very simple, I tell you, right? Uptrend is nothing but like, now you purchase a one share from so and so company worth 100 rupees each share value. The market value, the price share value is goes up 10 rupees. 110. So it is a uptrend. Market value come down 110 rupees. That is what? 90. Okay. That is what? Downtrend. Market is constant, still remain constant. 100. That is what? Sideways. I tell you guys, in the life also, there is the uptrend and downtrend and in the sideways. How I tell you, if you are happy today, your life, you are the uptrend. If you are not happy today due to some reason, you are downtrend. Okay, some people they don't know what is happening, right? Sometimes happy, sometimes not happy. This is what? Sideways. Means break even. This is what in the market also, right? So that we cannot predict whether market is going up or down, right? If you want to predict, you have to be master in the market. That is also very, very important. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the very important things. So there are, see, one questions you may ask, I tell you very simple, sir, how to buy the stock? Okay, how to choose the selective stocks? So there are, already I told you, there are three trends. Okay, and there are two techniques also very important in a stock market. Okay, before choosing the stock, right? Before choosing the stock, you have to go for the two techniques. One is the very simple fundamental analysis. Second one is technical analysis. There are two analyses are very, very important, right? If you know the analysis, at least you may try to get it some, right? What is the fundamental analysis? The fundamental analysis is nothing but a very simple. It is the analysis of the profit and loss account and balance sheet, or study of the domestic and international companies. If you know how to analyze the balance sheet of profit and loss account and comparison the domestic and international market, then you can eligible to trade in the market. That is the one thing. That is what fundamental. One more is their technical analysis. Technical analysis means it is a study of chart, right? It is a study of data. It is a study of demand and supply. Okay, I am showing you chart here. See, this is what I am showing. This is the Infosys companies. Okay, for example, HDFC Bank. Okay, I click here HDFC Bank. The share value, look at here. The share value is 1,137 today. 1,137. Okay, this is August. What is that today? 31st. Okay. If you see the chart, okay, and before that, this is the, what is that red color candle? That is what? Bearish, I mean down. That is what? Green color candle, that is what? Up. You can look at here in the month of March 2020, what is the price? April, May, June, July, August, okay? If you see the chart, easily you can analyze the market, okay? The HDFC Bank, what is the price of HDFC Bank, okay? What is the today's price? See, if you go for the price of HDFC, I tell you very clearly, guys, HDFC price now is a 1,137. Keep it in your mind. The price is 1,137. So if you go back in the 2003, I think most of the year 2002 or 2003, what is maybe around 22 3 rupees, right? Sure, if you buy HDFC Bank share in the year 2003, the price is 22 rupees. Just we can get it here, how, whether it is right or wrong, okay, through the help of this chart. That's why if you know the technical, technical analysis, through the chart only you can get it. Okay, absolutely right. What I told you in the year 2003, the HDFC Bank rate is almost 22, 23. What I told you, look at this one here, 23 rupees or 24 rupees. If you buy the one share HDFC Bank in the year 2003 at the rate of 24 rupees, okay, now after 17 years, now it's the 2020 August, okay, anyway, almost 17 years, your price goes up 1,139. Almost you are making the money 1,100 amount, okay, except your principal. That is the beauty of stock market. Sometime market may up, sometime market may down. See why I am telling this one. If you know, if you are expert in the technical analysis, then only you are able to select the prices. Okay, just you have to analyze what is the share price of the HDFC Bank in the last 1 year, 10 year or 20 year. That is what, okay, that's why I told you 24 rupees in the year 2003. Now it is 1,134 rupees. Now they see the difference, right? If you invest on that day, okay, 10 lakh rupees, now you become a crorepati, right? Who doesn't want money? Everybody wants to money, right? M for mother and M for money, okay? And mother builds the relationship, money breaks the, I think, relationship, what I'm telling you, which I like. But anyway, this is the very, very important, dear friends, okay? This is what you are going to understand. Don't repeat, okay? Still time is there. Every day is a new day for the trader or investors. This is what I am going to tell. If you know the technical analysis, you can easily manage. If you know the fundamental analysis, then also you can manage and you can trade. And most of the people, one doubt, sir, I have money, okay, I don't know how to trade it. Just better you can go for the investment, okay? XYZ is the brokerage companies are there, n number of the broker companies, okay, you can go and visit, then they will suggest you, they will open the account, then you can invest for the long time. There is no any problem. If you want to become a trader, okay, I'm in the day-to-day trader, I'm in the short-term trading, you must have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, please don't come to the stock market. I tell you very, very simple. If you have more money, okay, you don't know how to spend it, then you can come to the stock market. Stock market will teach you. Otherwise, very, very difficult. Okay, that's why what I'm telling you guys, if you have the knowledge, that's why I told you 95% of the people, they are losing the money, okay, because of they don't have knowledge, but they have the money. Only 5 to 10% of the people, they are knowledge, okay, they can implement, they know the fundamental and technical analysis. Based on that, they can invest. At least they will stay in the long way in the stock market. I tell you, okay, majority of the people, more than 6 months, they are not retained in the stock market, because once they will go in depth, then they can understand what is the reality, right? And stock market, see, I have been trading in the last few years. Stock market taught me very simple, taught me patience, right? Anybody who doesn't have patience, really, if you come for the stock market, it's very difficult. Patience is very, very important. If you have the patience, definitely you can earn it here. Otherwise, it will affect on your mentally and physically also. Okay, this is the overall background of the stock market, which I am going to tell you. Like it is an ocean. I tell you the stock market is an ocean. I am giving the one drop of water. That's it, guys. Okay, this is what stock market. I'll remind, what we discussed, what is the stock, okay? And one more thing, my own definition, I'll give the stock market. Stock market, andre, very simple. It is expect the unexpected. Oh, what is the stock? It is expect the unexpected. And stock market is a random. Stock market is the fight between the bull and bears. There is only two things. One is bull. If the market prices goes up, bull. Come down, this is what? Bear. Both the ways you can make the profit. And when the more volatility in the market, then you can, if you are a good trader, then you can make them huge money, right? But this is the strategies what we have. Okay, now this is the theoretical part which we discussed. Dear friends, now I'll go for the, live trading, okay? How you are going to become an entrepreneur, right? Equity entrepreneur. Already I told you equity. If you buy 1 share or 10 share or 100 share, you become a owner of the company, whether Infosys or any one of the company. This is what equity entrepreneur. Who is the entrepreneur? One who own business, one who has the own business, and one who is ready to solve the risk. He is called a, or she is called a entrepreneur, right? Many number of the entrepreneurs. See, if you want to know the stock market, just you can one of our Guruji, just you can see that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, right? And Warren Buffett in the international market. So they are all the stock market. They are the very key role persons. They have made their own chop in the stock market, right? They have the huge story. If it is possible, I will show the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala video in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, how he become a entrepreneur. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, he was a person, ordinary person like us. Okay, he has invested only 5,000. From 5,000 to now his net worth is more than 18,000 crore. How it possible? It's only from the stock market. Why it not possible to others? There is a strategist. Okay, that strategist will tell you. And I am not an astrologer here. I tell you very simple. If you ask me, market will go up, or just we can predict. Okay, when we toss the coin, I can say maximum either tail or head. I can tell, okay, head 75%. Sometimes it become a tail also. We don't know. It's a probability. That's why I call it is an expect the unexpected, and it's a random. What is my point? It's the fight between bull and bear. Either it may go up or rise. This is what. Now I'll come to the market. Now this is my Demat account. Okay, I'm showing you live market, dear friends. I think it's a opportunity for you also. And today, already I told you, market will start morning 9:15, end with 3:30. Okay, already I told you Nifty. You can look at here the Nifty 50, 11,691. Nifty 50 is an indicator. I already told you it is an indicator or indices of NSE. Okay. All the 50 companies they have listed in a Nifty 50, right? It's an indicator based on the, if the 11,686, look at here, every millisecond is going up or down. If we come down, then it is a bear. If you go up, it's a bull. Okay, this is what Nifty. Top 50 companies they have listed in a Nifty. That's why we can call Nifty 50. That's all. Okay, after that, when you come to the Sensex, okay, that is the indicator of the BSE. I told you one of the biggest, largest market, not only in India, even Asian continent also. That is what BSE, which is situated in Mumbai. That is a Sensex. It is an indicator or indices of the, okay, BSE market. Okay, BSE, I mean, the value is 39,601. Look at here, right? And one more thing, guys, if you see this before 2 months or before 3 months or before 4 months, when the pandemic happened, during that time, the market has fallen down. Almost 25% has fallen down, right? If you ask me 3 months back, okay, if you ask me 3 months back, what is the Nifty and all those things, 3,000 points, it has come down, right? So here, now Nifty and Sensex, I mean, based on that, we can gauge the market. Okay, fine. Now, we'll go for the various stocks, which companies. So one thing I tell you guys, very simple, how to select a stock. Once you understand the basic concept, now let us move to the how to select a stock. See, if you want to select a stock, the very simple, you have to follow the 5 rules. In our hand, 5 fingers are there now. You have to you have to go with one by one. First one is you can select the one sector. Which one? IT sector, information technology. In the information technology, which share you are going to buy? Infosys, TCS, okay, and L&T, whatever that. L&T is L&T, what is that, software, and as well as infrastructure also is there. Okay, this is one thing. Second one is pharma company. In the pharma company, which company share you are going to buy? Which company share you are going to buy? You are going to buy Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, okay, Lupin. There are n number of the companies. Okay, just you can take any one or two. After that, if you go for the automobile, okay, or motor vehicle, we may take Maruti, Suzuki, Eicher, okay, then M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra, whatever the companies you can select, okay. After that, if you come for the, I mean, FMCG, okay, fast movable consumer goods, you can take ITC, okay, Tata, whatever that you can take it. After that, then infrastructure, if you come for the infrastructure, L&T, Larsen and Turbo, few companies they have listed, okay, the top blue chip companies you can take it in the sector wise, okay. Already I told you in the NSE more than 1,800 companies are listed. You don't search the all 1,800 companies, okay. You can take only the few companies in the each sector, okay. IT sector 2 or 3, like that you can take it. Then almost 10 to 15 stock you can take daily, you can track on that, okay. Then you become a master in that, because that's why I told you, okay, don't track entire forest, track your own tree in that forest. That is very, very easy, okay. That is a mantra of this one. After that, okay, once you select the shares, okay, for example, if you ask me banking sector, okay, so as of now, which company share you are going to buy? If it is possible, okay, then I will show you how to buy also lively, okay. Then HDFC company, I already told you 1,133, okay. Now, before that, it was little bit less. Now it has 1.71 increase. That whatever this blue, I mean green color, these are all the uptrend. Whatever the, I mean, red color, these are all the downtrend. Okay, this is what. Okay, now I am showing you one more company, the pharma. Okay, Dr. Reddy. Now it's the uptrend part. I mean 0.30% it's increasing. The value is 4,387. What is the Reddy what is the Dr. Reddy companies? 4,385. If you want to look at this chart, look at this chart of this, what is that, Dr. Reddy, right? Dr. Reddy chart, okay? If you want to see the 1 day, if you want to see last 5 days, if you want to see the 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 10 year, 20 years, all the data available in this, the chart. Due to some time constraint, I am not able to show you all those things. If you are a good analysis of the technical, then easily you can understand the market, okay? The many other, apart from that, many Cipla companies there, Sun Pharma, see, look at here, in the pharma company, okay, some shares are increasing, some shares are decreasing, though market is uptrend. That's why I told you, better you have to buy the blue chip companies, which is very, very important companies, okay? Dr. Reddy and IPCA lab, both are uptrend. In the same pharma, Cipla and Sun Pharma, Cadillac, that is also pharma, but they are, I mean, come down. The reason is very simple, based on the annual general meeting, based on the quarter dividend, press meet, all the things which are, all the factors are very, very important. Based on that, company may up, company may down. And if you take the telecommunication, I tell you one more. Telecommunication, the company, there are n number of the telecommunication. That is one more thing I want to tell you, Airtel company. The Airtel company price, okay? The last one I tell you, the latest Airtel company. What is the Airtel company price? Around it is 520. Maybe I'll check it here. I'll show because it's very, very important. You can make the money. At least I hope you will have the very good opportunity. I tell you why the Airtel company is very important in the today concept. Yes, Bharti Airtel. Look at here. The price is 514. 514. See, the Bharti Airtel is one of the best telecommunication company. Okay, due to some reason, it has not go up. Okay, this price almost it goes up to 1,100 rupees. But now still it is in a 514 rupees. You know why? The reason is very simple. Tomorrow, I mean the 1st September, there is a verdict in the High Court or Supreme Court, right? If the case come in favor of the Airtel company, definitely that company share will goes up. Tremendous changes you can see within a few months, right? If the case against to the Bharti Airtel, maybe that prices slowly come down, already it came down only because one of the best stock, right? And I tell you, before 4 months or 5 months, if you take any any automobile or any other companies, right? I tell you, Hero Honda, okay, Hero Motors, the price was very less in the 3 months before, maybe 1,200, 3 or 4,500 rupees. Now you know the price of Hero Motors, it's almost 3,000 rupees. That motor vehicle company, I will show the exact figure. See, simply I cannot tell the lie here. Okay, then where it is the Hero Motors, I told you almost 3,100 rupees something. Yes, look at here, 3,000 rupees. I mean, Hero Motors is a 3,020, means today it has come down 1.30 point. Okay, 1.30 point, it come down. See, market is uptrend. You can look at here, 0.13 is there, though that market has come down. And one more beauty of the stock market, you can see Hero Motor is coming down, and the Tata Motors, that is also automobile company, it is going up. And one more beauty of the Tata Motors, I tell you, before 15 days, the Tata Motors share was almost 110 or 12. 110 or 12. Now you can think it, within a 15 days or 20 days, it reached 143. 143. Where is 110? Where is 143? Right? If you have 1,000 shares, you become you can get it huge profit from the stock. That's why you can choose the stock. There is a one quote. There are two things are very important in life. What is that? One is the choice. Another one is the chance. If you have the choice, you can choose the best. If you don't have the choice, if you have the chance, you can do the best. This is what. And finally, I tell you the one stock, I can buy it. Okay, in front of you. Okay, in front of you, I will buy one share. Okay, okay, just where it is. This is in the NSE market. I am going to buy one share. Okay, banking sector. If you ask me banking sector, I think it's not a right time to invest because due to some NPA or whatever the problems, still market is up and down, right? And you can take in the SBI, SBI in the banking sector, I can take it. Okay, what is that? Many banks also there apart from that. SBI, look at here, SBI, and it's a downtrend. 221 rupees. Okay, last trade, last Friday, it was almost 225. Now it has come down 4%. So this is what, okay, that's why I don't want to take this one. And if you want to buy any one of the shares, I will show it, okay, in front of you only, okay. Okay, for example, there is a UPL or BSF company, okay, Sudarshan Chemicals. Okay, I can buy it on the Sudarshan Chemical, one share value. What is the one share value of the Sudarshan Chemical? 475. Okay, I am going to buy a one share, okay, 475 rupees. Every millisecond it is going to change. I can buy it in front of you only, guys, for your knowledge point of view. If you want to buy, just you can click here button. Okay, and there are two options. One is the MIS option, another one is the CNC option. MIS means margin intraday square up. If you buy today, you have to sell today only. Otherwise, what will happen? Automatically it is square up. It will sold out. Okay, MIS. Okay, this is what. CNC means this is a cash and carry. If you buy today and you can sell it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and if you want after 100 days also you can sell it. Okay, this is what cash and carry. If you want to go for the cash and carry, you have to pay 476 rupees only. Okay, that full amount you have to pay it. But if you want to go for the margin MIS margin intraday square up, so there will be margin. If you have the 10,000 rupees, they will give the 1 lakh rupees margin amount. Okay, I can buy here 5 shares. I can buy. What is the value of the Sudarshan? 477. Okay, I'm going to buy it. Okay, 5 shares I'm going to buy it, or you can take it 10 shares I'm going to buy it in a MIS option. Okay, once I'll buy the MIS option, many options also is there here. Market is there. That is what market price limit. If you want to go price come down, then you can buy it. Later you can click the limit. Many options. I don't want to teach all those things. Okay, guys. Just I'm going to buy it here. I'm going to buy it here. Okay, 10 shares. Which company? Sudarshan share. I can click here. See 10 quantity. Volume also very important. Okay, I can buy it. Now you can see the. 10 means how much? Almost 4,700 rupees I have to pay, but I have given very less amount. That will be in a, look at here in the position, we can get it here. See in the position, look at here guys, MIS, the product which I taken, Sudarshan Chemicals, this is what in the NSE market, 10 shares I bought, average price is 477 rupees. Look at this one, last traded price means LTP, 477. Now I bought 477. Now look at here, 477.15 means market is uptrend. Okay, 0.5. Okay, 0.5 is uptrending. Just you can look at here profit and loss account. I have invested 4,779. I have not invested that amount because margin amount they have given only. I have 1,000 rupees. 700 or 800 rupees I invested. That's said, but I am getting the profit here in front of you only. I am showing you, dear friends. Look at this is very very important. Okay. The profit and loss account. I have invested Sudarshan because I know the market is going up in the Sudarshan Chemicals. That's why I bought 10 shares. While each share is 477. Okay. Now prices are increasing. Profit and loss are also increasing. Now it comes to the sideways, come down. Maybe the market may increase, market may decrease. Okay, that is depends on the. That's why if you want to become a trader, you have to sit in front of the laptop and you are always in a market. They have to be mind and heart should be in a market. Otherwise, not possible. Got it? My points. Again, see if you want to make the money, so you can come to the stock market. And if you want to lose the money, that is also possible. But that's why I am telling you very very clearly, dear friends. Okay, one of Lokesh sir, he came and he told me profit, all those things. Now it is very very difficult. If you have the savings money, please come to the stock market and you have to select a few stocks, or with the help of broker, with the help of others, you can take a training. Otherwise, you should not come to the stock market. If you have the savings money, definitely you have more risk involved. Okay, without risk, there is no profit. Okay, that's why Rakesh Jinjunwala, who is the entrepreneur, okay, he got a huge money from the stock market because he has the guts. Okay, if you don't have the guts, please don't come to the market. Okay, it spoil your life. Just you can understand the knowledge, you can get the knowledge, you must have the fundamental and technical analysis. Then you have to choose the shares based on the sector, which sector is important. And one more thing I tell you, I also trade many times. Okay, sometime I may lose, sometime I may get, but the knowledge is very very important. It's a source of income. If you have the knowledge, okay, one day definitely you become an entrepreneur in the stock market. And in this COVID pandemic, I tell you, most of the people, once they'll complete their education, they were searching the job, I don't know, and if they not get the job, then they're suffering, depressed, they'll go for the depressed and physically ill, whatever that. No, not like that. Please forget everything. See, in the stock, if you know the stock market, if you have the knowledge, then you become an entrepreneur. That is a very important. You become an entrepreneur. You should not depend on anybody. Okay, you may lose, you may get. That doesn't differ. Okay, doesn't matter. You'll get the knowledge. Am I right or wrong? Okay, before 4 months, if you invest in the market, before 4 months when the COVID happened, right? So market fully it has fallen down. Now it is almost it is increasing. Okay, if you invest 2 or 3 lakh rupees in few sector, you'll become it is 1 to double. I told you, no, Hero Motors is 1,500 rupees. Okay, in the 4 months back. Okay, now it is 3,000. I don't know, after 1 month or 2 months, it may increase or decrease. You know that earlier Ola and cab almost they have stopped it. Okay, because of that reason, each and every person, they buy the vehicles. Okay, for the safety purpose, automatically the prices are increasing. And in the coming days, the US election also is there. Okay, I don't know what will happen in the market. Tremendous changes can occur. right? That we cannot see. If I ask you, okay, in the Donald Trump and in US, you can take Donald Trump and one more candidate, okay, who will win? Can you guess? Can you predict? Even astrologer also cannot predict. Okay, so like that, just we can say 70% hope. May someone come, someone may not come. Based on that also market will. And one more thing, if you don't see the news and all those things, okay, of course you have to follow, but if you follow the news, what will happen? The insider trading, you know, the recently what happened, Reliance industry, right? That what is the Google, all those, they have invested in that. Because of that reason, market may increase. Because of that reason, okay, many insider, what they have done now, already they knows what is happening before 1 month only. They can buy it immediately before entering the news. That's why don't buy it, because one of my client, he did like this, okay, 15 days, I mean 1 month back, okay, someone is going to invest in Reliance. Because of that reason, he got the message, he invested 10 lakh rupees. Automatically market has come down on that same day only. Then he asked me, no sir, that Google is going to invest, because of that reason I have invested, market has come down. Then I told you, don't depend on the news. Some insider traders, already they knows 1 month back only, okay, they will already settle everything. There is a huge insiding trading is there. That's why I told them very clearly, don't depend on the news and all. Just you have to be you should get the knowledge and think independent and learn everything in the stock market. Then only you can invest and you can trade. This is what. And still many more things I want to discuss, but due to some time constraints, I am not able to discuss, dear friends. In front of you only I showed you. And one more thing I tell you now, just you can see it within a 5 minutes. Okay, what I invested in the Sudarshan, I invested Sudarshan 10 shares for 70 rupees. Now the market come down 45 rupees. See, 472. I bought 477, and the last traded price was is 472. I mean 50 rupees I lost. You know, I don't worry. Okay, I may lose, I may get. I know how to make the profit in the stock market, but my intention is always I am telling you to take the risk. Okay, in the stock market, you don't come for to make the money. I mean profit. You can think how to avoid the risk. If you think how to avoid the risk, that is automatically you can get the profit. See, 47 rupees, it's come down. If I don't have the patience, so automatically that will affect on me. I'm telling only the 10 shares. The people can buy lakh together shares at a time, and they will 1 rupee increase, they will sell it. They will get it a 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees profit each on shares. Okay, you can think it in a large way, large scale. Now the 58 rupees. Okay, now what I am going to tell you, now I am going to sell it in front of you. Anyway, 50 rupees is lost to me, though nothing to worry. Okay, I am going to sell it. What I am going to say, okay, I am going to sell it this one. How? Look at here, exit position. I am going to exit from this one, where it is. Okay, now I have come out from the market. This is what, anyway 54 rupees loss for me. Okay, that's why anyway you have to think loss, you have to think risk, how to reduce the risk in the market. Okay guys, which sector and which company, in the, everything we have to decide. Look at here, the Nifty earlier it was 0.16 increased, now it is 0.03. Means we don't know, within a fraction of minute the market is going to up and down. It's like a life. Okay, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are unhappy, we don't know, right? Sometimes it's sideways. That's why based on the market conditions. So if you are an investor, so not an issue. If you are a trader, you must have the knowledge. This is what. Okay guys, now we are in the end of the session. Please ask me a question. Okay, before that, just I'll look at many people that have chatted me here. Okay, just I'll get it that because our audience are very important. Audience are very important. I want to answer for that. If I satisfy them, then only this session is valuable. Otherwise, not. Sir, what are the sum? Yes, I tell you. So, sir, Ranjita, she asked a very nice question. The question is, what are the sum of the good resources where I can learn about equity investment? Okay, here I tell you very simple, right? If you want to be educated, where should go? You should go for the educational institution. Which educational institution? That is left to you. In the same way, if you want to learn stock market, so there are n number of the masters in that, but nobody can say exact. So if you want to learn the stock market, please go through please, you can understand yourself. I mean, you can see the success story of the stock icon. I mean, the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, what I told you, and Warren Buffett, one of the richest person in the stock market, that you can go ahead, and 5 investment books, which is written by the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and others. You can go through that one. Definitely will get the ideas. But I tell you, nobody will teach you. For the small kid, nobody teach you how to stand, how to run, how to walk, right? By way only they will learn. Okay, that's why. So there are very n number of the resources, n number of the articles, n number of the journals, and many YouTube videos also there. But before that, you should involve yourself in the stock market, go in depth in the research. Okay, then you must understand the fundamental and technical study analysis. Then you become a master in the stock market. Be an independent thinker. This is one thing. Thank you, Ranjita. Now, Shweta, she is asking one question: which sector or company is the best for investment now? Okay, this is a beautiful question. Which sector or company? Absolutely. Already I told you in the first and foremost, while selecting the company, I mean stock, first you have to look at the sector. Which sector? The pharma sector, or in the what is that, automobile sector, or FMCG. In the FMCG, which one you have to buy? In the what is that, automobile, which one you have to buy? Okay, now I'll suggest you in a very few things. Okay, now as of now, okay, if you go to the FMCG, fast movable consumer goods, that is, I think, good. There is the option in ITC. Okay, ITC is one of the FMCG a company which is listed in the NSE market. If you go to the NSE, I mean the FMCG product, so definitely you will get more I mean weightage according to me. See, you don't depend on me, just I am giving the advice, that's said. Okay, okay, if you invest the ITC, which is comes under in FMCG, that is also good. Okay, because now it is going up, the market price is also 195 right now. The price, if you go and check the ITC, the market price is 195. Within a 2 or 3 months, it may reach 250 to 300 rupees. This is my guess. Okay, my guess. Okay, if you ask someone, they will tell in a different way, but it is a depends on my research. Okay, that is one thing. And I tell you, you should not invest in the banking sector right now, because banking sector already it's came up. Means, okay, there are various banking sector in the banking sector. If you take the banking sector, okay, one of the major companies, so please don't invest in the government sector, because there are more fluctuate in that. Okay, if you take the what is that, banking, there are ICICI company, ICICI bank, okay, HDFC bank, then whatever that, Kotak Mahindra, okay, and SBI, okay, government sector. If you want to invest, these four are these 4 banks are important, and which I like to invest, because if you see that past data, they have given a good result. If you take the SBI company share, already I told you, right, 225 rupees SBI share right now. Okay, now is time almost, it is 11:30. If you look at the share price, 222 rupees. Okay, the Friday evening it has closed almost 225. Now it has come down. Okay, why I'm not suggesting now the banking sector? Because due to the NPA, you know that Atmanirbhar Bharat 20 lakh package for the stimulus package for the economy, right? Still some many EMI facilities, everything they have given. It's a little late to recover due to that is the reason, and the economic condition also still it's in a volatile. Due to that reason, banking sector they may increase or may decrease. And one thing, banking sector if increase, okay, then pharma sector will decrease. When the banking sector has decreased, then pharma sector will increase. Okay, if you take the pharma sector, I tell you, Dr. Reddy is one of the beautiful shares. If you want to buy, you can buy it. Now the price is 4,000 to 300 rupees something. If you check, then you can understand, right? 4,300 rupees. Okay, before 3 months, it has come down 3,700, 3,500 rupees. Now almost it is jump. Okay, and it may reach another 500 rupees also. 5,500 rupees we can expect within a few days. And one of the what is that, Sun Pharma company also, I think it's a good moving. Okay, 2 days, 4-5 days back only, 3 days back, Friday, it has increased almost 5%. Okay, because I have invested on that market. The market when started now, 5% it has increased. Only the Sun Pharma, not all the pharma companies. Okay, pharma company has fallen down in the last Friday, but only one company has increased, that is Sun Pharma, because they have a general body meeting. In that they have announced all the profit and loss, and they have made it some amendments. Due to that reason, it has increased. See, that's why you must understand the fundamental and technical analysis. Then only you can able to understand, guys. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult to say. Okay, and Anurag, one more question. Anurag Srivastav, sir, is the technical analysis chart for stocks available online easily? Why not, right? It is an open link for everybody, right? N number of the links what you have. If you have the DMAT and if you have the money control, there is an app, okay? If you go through that, you can get the entire chart, right? You can get all the previous data. That chart will show you, okay, when the prices has increased, decreased, in which year, what is that, right? I told you that's why HDFC Bank in the year 2003, the price was 23 rupees. Now 2020 September, I mean the August 31st, now it is almost 1334. You can imagine if you buy 1,000 shares, you become a crorepati. Who will give the money? If you put in a what is that bank deposit, you can get it hardly 4 to 5% interest. I mean interest. But the same, if you invest in the stock market, you can get more than that. But you should have the knowledge. Otherwise, that person, no, you leave it interest. You will not get your principal amount also if you don't have the money. And thank you, Anurag. And finally, one more questions. Who is that? Monisha. Yes, during a pandemic like this, is it the right time to make investment, or should we abstain from investing during the COVID? Okay, of course, I think you would have asked this question before 3 months. I would have suggested you to invest nicely, because already in the what is COVID pandemic is in the end of the session. COVID pandemic is the end of the session. Definitely, I tell you, this session is going to end. I mean, pandemic is going to end. I mean, this during the lockdown, almost all the companies' shares has come up. That's why I told you before 4 months, majority of the company shares, okay, it was fallen down. Now almost it is 80 to 90% it has reached. Of course, this is also a right time. I'm not telling, okay, if you would have asked the question 3 months before, definitely will become a very good entrepreneur. I mean, we will learn and earn also. But this is the time to invest also. Okay, you can think it here, which sector? Pharma sector. Okay, once the vaccination is come out, then definitely the pharma company share is gradually increasing, right? And still you have the opportunity to invest in this pandemic, post pandemic also you can invest, but you have to think, this is also right time to invest, of course. Then knowledge gaining session, something I have given Vinod TS. Yes, very nice, very nice. Your words are appreciating. Okay. Is there any professional course for stock market? Yes, if you want to gain the knowledge, there are a number of the courses. But before that, you must put your heart and soul in the market, and in the knowledge point of view. Then only you can get it lot of things. And definitely you have the professional course also required for this. Okay. And these are all the many questions who are asked. And finally, many questions are there, but due to some time constraint, I am unable to explain all. I'm sorry for that. Okay. And if you want to learn more and more this one, just I will display my email ID and name and what is that? Mobile number. Please feel free to contact me. Okay. Then we'll able to discuss more and more with you guys. And this is the one thing which we learn. And okay, now thank you all.
Take time to be kind and to say thank you. First of all, I would like to thank our management for giving us an opportunity to work on this webinar topic on equity entrepreneur now or never. I would like to thank our distinguished speaker for the day, Mr. Lokesh Angadi, Assistant Professor, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, for moving this section in an interesting and meaningful one. Thank you, sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to our beloved principal, Dr. Jayashree RS, for extending her support always. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank the moderator of this session, Ms. Claudia Nath, Assistant Professor, for making this webinar a great success. Thank you, ma'am. As no program can be done successful with a single hand, I extend my big thanks to Mr. Guru Prasad, IT Department, Mr. Kaushik, Assistant Professor, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, for extending their support towards this webinar. Thank you, sir. Finally, I thank all our participants for their active participation in the session. Thank you all. Feedback link is being shared on the chat box. Participants are requested to fill it immediately to generate your e-certificate.